Hi, welcome to Urmi's Cakes. Today I'm doing a vlog style video and I'm collaborating with Auswest Petals, and I've got Hema with me who's going to ask me a few questions while I decorate this wedding cake. Follow along to see what I end up with.
Hey Urmi, what cake are you decorating?
So I've got a two-tier vanilla and chocolate cake, and it's going to be a wedding style cake.
And what flowers are you using?
So today I'm using roses that I got from Auswest, a light pink and a slightly darker pink.
And how do you keep these roses fresh? Usually when you decorate.
Most of the time I would go and pick the flowers up a few days in advance, and so I need to come back home and just open up those cardboard pieces and then cut the tips off and put them in water so that they have time to like open up, because the cardboard's like quite tight, so it keeps it like, you know, fresh.
Okay, and what are some of your favorite flowers to work with when decorating cakes?
Actually, I really like working with roses. I find them the easiest to handle. They bloom so nicely, and then you can even do that to them. So I've just pulled back and retracted the petals. So basically the rose was like that, and now it looks like that.
Okay, that's beautiful. And why do you choose Auswest Petals to get flowers from?
Every time I've ordered, firstly the order process is so easy. I just need to send them an email and say, I want this many bunches, and then these are the colors that I'd like to work with, and tell them what date I want to pick it up. And when I go there, it's usually all ready, and all I need to do is take it, pay for it, and leave. If you've seen like my Instagram page and see the cakes that I do, a lot of my cakes are very bright colored. Walk into Auswest Petals and I'll look into their fridge. I'm like, oh no, now you're confusing me. I don't know what I want to get. So yeah, that's one of the reasons why I like working with them.
And have you had a moment where a particular flower elevated your entire cake?
It was 3 or 4 tier wedding cake that I did a while back. The client really wanted certain color combination, and I didn't think it would really suit. And when I finally convinced him to use a different, like I just changed one color, I think, so that it would complement it better. And that cake really turned out so nice, like really pretty, and it made me feel so happy because the flowers, I've got really small, the spray roses. Because these roses are nice, they're really big, but sometimes when you want to do like a cascading down the front of the cake, these ones will definitely just like topple off in transport. So I need to use the small like spray roses and other small filler flowers that I can get, and just sort of arrange them so that they sit on the cake nicely and no chance of them falling off at the wedding or whatever like that. So
what is the care tip that you give your customers when you're transferring the cake, or how you store it?
when I give all my clients their cakes anyway, they have a care card that I attach. Firstly, to keep the cake in a cool place, not in direct sunlight, and definitely don't leave it in the car and then go and pick up something from Woolworths or Coles. Yeah, that would be my main care tip for my clients when they're picking up the cakes.
What makes your cake stand out from the others?
Well, firstly, all my cakes are egg-free, and then I do vegan options and gluten-free. And because I'm vegetarian, so we don't even eat eggs at home, so this house is a pure vegetarian home. For me, that's a big selling point for people who have allergies, like the service that I provide for my clients is quality cakes that actually look beautiful and have like eye-popping colors. Yeah, so I think that's what would be the special part to my business. So this is the finished product with the beautiful flowers from Auswest Petals. Thank you, Hema, for having me today. See you in my next video.